Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with Instagram if your layout is missing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Instagram application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, search for the Instagram application and download it. So once you've gotten it, open it up and log into your Instagram account. You are going to go and be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the home page of the Instagram application that's supposed to look like this. So as you can see, this is the home page from where we can get started browsing everything. We have our stories at the top, our layout is at the bottom, and now we can get started. So guys, how can we fix the problem if our layout isn't showing correctly or it isn't just functioning on our application itself? So I have Googled and I have seen that a lot of people have had this problem. So basically, what the number one solution for this problem was, guys, basically you have to wait for an update. If your application isn't updated, then what you can do is uninstall it. You can uninstall it to go and try to install it again. So go ahead and exit out the application, delete it from your phone and download it again to open it up. A lot of people have notified that this helped out their problem, and once they have installed it again, it was functioning normally. But if it still isn't functioning, guys, you have to wait for Instagram to release a new update that's going to fix the problem for all the phones that are having the problems, because you cannot fix it for yourself. So what you want to do is just wait for an update that's going to help you out, and once it's out, you want to download it and patch up the application to work normally again. So basically, that's the only thing you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.